Dear students, welcome back. Hope you all are safe and fine. Today we will continue chapter 3rd, computer virus. In this chapter, today we will discuss about types of computer viruses. What are the steps to prevent virus? What is antivirus? How to scan your computer with the help of Kaspersky antivirus? How to update Kaspersky antivirus? So let's start our first topic, types of computer virus. So the first types of virus is sweeper. These are the types of virus which appears to be an antivirus program which we download in our computer unintentionally. Once downloaded, it starts making fake malware files which are otherwise harmless. This virus sweeper perform fake system scan and generate counterfeit result showing list of fake malware files. And it also generates the pop-up messages on the screen disturbing the user usual workflow. Malware. Malware stands for malicious software, and the malware is derived from the word malicious and software. It is a type of software designed to damage the data or computer system without the owner's knowledge or consent. Malware include computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses, spyware, and other malicious and unwanted software. Some malware program installed a keylogger which then capture the user's keystroke when user is entering a password. Data stealing malware is a great threat to user. It robs off victim of personal or confidential information like credit card number that may later on be misused. Boncos, Gotter, Legmar, and Qhost are the example of data stealing malware. Worms. A computer worm is a standalone malware computer program that replicates itself in order to spread to other computers. Or a worm is a malicious program that duplicates itself. They eventually filled up the disk space with copies of itself and thereby make a computer system to work very slow. Morris worms and Mardom are example of worms that cause effect like disturbing the network traffic. Trojan horses. A Trojan or Trojan horse is a non-self-replicating types of malware which appear to perform a desirable function but instead facilitate unauthorized access to the user's computer system. And these viruses at first appear to be friendly but are very malicious programs. They steal information from the computer. They can be of any type, even some computer games are Trojan horses. A program named waterfall.scr is an example of Trojan horse. It can be claimed to be a free waterfall screensaver, but while running, it unloads hidden programs, script, etc. without the user's knowledge. Spyware. Spyware is a computer software that is installed secretly on a computer to gather a person's personal information without his or her knowledge or consent. It tracks the user's behavior and reports back to a central source. These are used for either legal or illegal purpose. Spyware can transmit personal information to another person's computer over the internet. So these are the types of viruses, steps to prevent virus. Protecting your computers from viruses is not a difficult task. You already know how viruses infect a computer system or how they spread. To protect your computer from viruses, keep in mind the following point. The first point is, do not use the CD or pen drive received from another person unless you are certain that the device does not contain a virus. Next, do not download programs or other information from non-reputed sources on the internet. The next, be careful of the attached files you received in your emails. Open only those files sent by the people you trust. The next is restrict access to your system. And the last point for step to prevent virus is install an antivirus program on your computer system. Antivirus or virus cleaner. Antivirus is a utility program or set of programs that are designed to prevent, search, detect, and remove viruses and other malicious programs like worms, Trojan horse, adware, and many more. It is very important to use an antivirus software for users who use internet because a computer without antivirus may get infected within few minutes. There are many antivirus programs available in market. You may install an antivirus program on your computer in order to prevent it from being attacked by computer viruses. And some of the popular antivirus softwares are Norton, Kaspersky, McAfee, F-Secure, AVG, K7 Endpoint Security, Microsoft Quick Heal, Net Protector, etc. Now using antivirus software, let us learn how to use Kaspersky antivirus software to scan your computer. But before scanning, the antivirus must be installed in your computer system. Scanning your computer. To scan your computer using Kaspersky antivirus, follow the given steps. Steps number 1. Look at the picture. Double click the Kaspersky Internet Security icon from the system tray on the taskbar at rightmost corner. The Kaspersky window appear. Step number 2. The new window appear in this form. Click the scan option, then a new window appears. Now the step number 3. Now you have to select the full scan option and click run scan button to scan all the drives of your computer. And after clicking, you see the status of scanning. After the scan finishes, when no virus is found or if found and deleted, a new window appears displaying the message full scan completed. After completing the scan, will follow step number 4. Then click the close or cross button on the Kaspersky window to exit. Using this all these steps, you can scan your computer. Now the next thing is scanning external devices. Whenever you attach any external device like a pen drive or CD-ROM to your computer, the antivirus software immediately asks you to scan it. Just click the scan option. Then the process of scanning starts if the device contains virus. The antivirus display an alert message and then deletes it. After the scan finish, a window appears displaying the message scanning of drive completed. The next topic is updating antivirus software. Antivirus software need to be updated regularly so that it can detect new viruses. Before initiating the updation process, first connect the computer system to the internet. And to update your antivirus software, follow the given steps. Now the step number 1 is double click the Kaspersky Internet Security icon from the system tray on the taskbar at rightmost corner. Now the step number 2, click the update option and you can see in new window update option. Then a new window or new screen appears. The step number 3, click run update or update button to start the update process. Now close the Kaspersky window when update process completed. So these are the steps. Then you have to update your Kaspersky antivirus. Now thank you. Have a nice day. Good luck.